CBSE Class 10 Math Sample Question Paper Solution, Year 2020 Standard Version. It's a 3-mark question. This from the chapter Areas Related to Circles. Sides of a right triangular field are 25 meters, 24 meters and 7 meters. It's a right triangle. At the 3 corners of the field, which is at the vertices of the triangle, a cow, a buffalo and a horse are tied separately with ropes of 3.5 meters each to graze the field. Find the area of the field that cannot be grazed by these 3 animals. Let's look at the diagram. We're talking about a right triangular field. Measures are 7 meters, 24 meters and 25 meters. At each of these vertices A, B and C, we got one animal tied, cow, buffalo, horse. The length of the rope is equal to 3.5 meters. So the area within the field that these animals can graze is given by the area of the 3 sectors, each of radius 3.5 meters. The radius of sector, which is at B, at point B and point C, are also 3.5 meters because the length of the rope is equal to 3.5 meters. So sides of the triangle 25, 24, 7. Length of the rope 3.5 meters, which essentially is going to become the radius of the 3 sectors. What we need to find out is not the area that it can graze. We actually need to find out the area that it cannot graze. The area that it cannot graze will first identify, mark the areas that they can graze. Sector 1 from point A, sector 2 from point B and sector 3 from point C. This is the area that the 3 animals can graze. This is the area that we need to find out that they cannot graze, which essentially is nothing but area of the right triangle minus the area of the sum of the areas of these 3 sectors. We'll call it as sector 1, sector 2 and sector 3. You know the area of these 3 sectors, subtract it from the area of the triangle, we have the answer. So step 1, we're going to find this. Step 2, we're going to find this. Step 3, we're going to find the difference between these two. These are our 3 steps. Step 1, let's find out the area of the triangle. It's a right triangle. So area is very straightforward. Area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. The base is 7 meters, height is equal to 24 meters. So area is equal to half into 7 into 24. 24 gets cancelled with the 2 to leave us with a 12. So the area of this right triangle is equal to 84 meters square. Step 1 done. Let's move on to step 2. We're going to find out the area of the 3 sectors. Sector 1, sector 2, sector 3. Let's say the angle subtended by the sector at the center, which is A, is equal to A degrees. For B, it is 90 degrees, we'll call it B, and for C, it is C degrees. Area of any sector is given by theta by 360 into pi r square, where theta is the angle subtended by the sector at the center. So the angle subtended by the first sector is equal to A. So area of the first sector is equal to A divided by 360 into pi r square. So that is the area of the first sector. Second one is going to be 90 degrees, but let's keep it as B. B divided by 360 into pi r square is the area of the second sector. The third sector is C divided by 360 into pi r square. I'm going to take this pi r square and 360 common. I'm going to write the pi as a 22 by 7. Do we know the value of r? R is equal to 3.5 meters. We'll write it as a 7 by 2. So we're going to get a 22 by 7, which is pi into r square, because pi r square can be taken common outside from all of these 3 terms. So r square will be a 7 by 2 into a 7 by 2. This 360 in the denominator also can be taken as a common term outside. So we've actually picked from each of these terms pi r square by 360. So that will leave us with an a, b and c in each of these 3 terms. So that is equal to a plus b plus c. Cancel the 7 with a 7, cancel the 2 with 11, 22 to leave us with 11, I'm sorry. So it will leave us with 77 divided by 2 times 360, that's in the denominator, into a plus b plus c. Do we know b? Yes, 90. Do we know a or c? No. But we know a plus b plus c. Sum of the interior angles of any triangle is equal to 180. So we do not know a and c separately, but we know the measure of a plus b plus c, which is equal to 180. 180 gets cancelled with this 360 to leave us with a 2. So the area of the 3 sectors together is equal to 77 by 4. 77 by 2 is a 38.5 by 2 is equal to 19.25 meters square. So found out the area of the triangle, we have found out the area of the 3 sectors together. We need to find out the difference between these two to find out the area that it cannot graze. That is step number 3, which is 84 area of the triangle minus 19.25, which is area of the three sectors taken together, leaving us with an area of 64.75 meters square. That's the area of this triangular field that the three animals cannot graze. Quickly summarize it in the printed form. Step 1, finding out the area of the right triangle. Base 7, height 24, half into base into height, 84 meters square is the answer. Step 2, we are finding out the area of the three sectors. Area of any sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Radius of each of the sectors is equal to 3.5 meters. So let's call it as 1, 2, 3. Area of sector 1 is a by 360 into pi r square. For sector 2, it is b by 360 into pi r square. Sector 3, it's c by 360 into pi r square. Taken pi r square, this common outside, so that leaves us with a by 360 plus b by 360 plus c by 360. A plus b plus c is a 180. 180 upon 360 into pi r square. This will leave us with a 1 by 2 into pi r square. 1 by 2 into pi, which is a 22 by 7, into r square is written as 3.5 and 3.5. 7 and 3.5 will cancel to leave us with a 2. The 2 and 22 will cancel to leave us with 11. So this is 11 into 3.5, 38.5 divided by 2, which is equal to 19.25 meters square. Found out the area of all three sectors taken together. Area of the triangle we know is 84. The difference between the two, 64.75 meters square, is the area that these three animals cannot graze within this triangular field.